Hello, my peoples. It's your boy, Mr. Jeffrey Cola here. I am here on this chair because I am wonderful. See that chair right there? Pretty thick, I know. Now I will show you this house. That's not mine. I don't know. Look at these plants. Look at these plants. Pretty cool, right? I know, right? Look at this TV. Pretty cool, right? Look at this dirty window. It's like it's not dirty. It's clean. It's just wet. Look at it outside. Nice. Look at that. Look at that chair. Look at that. Pretty cool, right? We cleaning the house and there's trash. But I want to fall off of this. Oh, what's that? Oh! I don't know, but I don't like it. See a trash can? Watch me. I'm Kobe. Kobe. Hey! Look at that woman. She's the maid. Look at this horrible music. Look at that woman. Look at. Now you hear nothing. Now you hear everything. This is where. This is where the chair's supposed to be, but I yeeted it. Watch this. Watch this. Just watch. Just watch. I'm gonna show you. I'm like, fly. Go away. Go away. Go away, fly. Watch this. I lowered the chair because I'm a cool lad. Oh, Lord. Oh, God. Look at this. Oh, that was nice. That was real nice. Okay, subscribe, like, and comment, or I don't know. Get yeeted, boy.